Welcome to the in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and somewhere here you should find the torch icon. If you have not here the torch icon, like in my case, just click here to the plus, and here you'll see the flashlight, the torch icon. To add it, hold it for a while and drag it here to this up section, then just click here to OK, and after that you'll see here the torch icon. Just to activate flashlight, click here only once, and now as you can see that flashlight is activated. And if you want to turn it off, just click here once again on the flashlight icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.